Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have this AirPod Pro 3s from DHgate that we're going to take a look and review. So I did get this sent over from my friend over at DHgate Air Max 01. The links will be in the description and in the comments, and you can find it in my bio as well. Once you open it, you have the Design by Apple in California paperwork. Followed by that, you have the AirPods themselves, and you have the charging port at the bottom with the lanyard inserts and the speakers on the case. When it comes to pairing these, it's like the exact same thing as the real thing. You open up the lid of the case and then you double tap on the case itself because it has a capacitive feature, unlike the other ones that had the pairing buttons at the back of the case. So this follows the real thing one to one basically. So I did go ahead and check the settings, and some of these AirPods do come with limited warranty or even Apple Care, which is crazy. And the serial numbers on the case, on the AirPods, and everything match all around. So that's really good to know. And in terms of like features and how it sounds playing music, it sounds really great. These AirPods, they have good bass, they have good treble, everything is clear. It even sounds way better than my Beat Studio Pros. And I did try out like features like ANC and transparency. Transparency really works flawlessly. So I use this at the gym for like a few days, and even during my workouts, I could still hear what's going on around me. And when I didn't want to hear it, I just turned on ANC, and it blocked out all the noise around me when using these AirPod Pro 3s from DHK. And the sound quality was unbeatable. Everything was clear, everything was crisp. It was actually like really good. And I did use the stem controls as well. As you can see, you can increase the volume or reduce the volume, pause, play, next song, and previous song. Once you click my link, you are going to go ahead and pick like best ANC or top quality ANC AirPod Pro 3. So it's going to be all the way at the bottom, like what I'm showing here. So it's going to pick like best ANC AirPod Pro 3s, and that's pretty much it. With that being said, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, comment, repost, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.